Good morning, children. Today, we are starting the new chapter from your geography textbook, Land, Soil, Water, Natural Vegetation and Wildlife Resources. In this chapter, we will be discussing about the different natural resources. Can you recall the definition of natural resources? Yes, resources that are drawn from nature and used without much modification are called natural resources. Land, soil and water, these three plays a very vital role in the growth of natural vegetation and wildlife. First of all, let us take the details about land. Land is amongst the most important natural resources. The entire land on the earth divided into 7 continents, which is covering nearly 30% of the entire earth's area. So, these 7 continents, I think you all know the names of these 7 continents. Asia, Africa, Antarctica, North America, South America, Europe and the Australia. Why did people start to live only in particular places? Because for their survival. The uneven distribution of population in different parts of the world is mainly due to the varied characteristics of land and climate. The rugged topography, it means uneven land surface, steep slopes of the mountains, low-lying areas susceptible to waterlogging, desert areas, thick forested areas are normally less populated areas. So, which all areas are less populated? Rugged topographical areas, steep slopes of the mountains, low-lying areas, and for thick forested areas, desert areas. These all areas are normally less populated areas. At the same time, plains and river valleys are suitable for agriculture. Hence, these are the densely populated areas of the land. Initially, men started to live at the river valley region because of the availability of water. Next, about the topic land use. Land is used for different purposes such as agriculture, forestry, mining, building houses and roads and setting up of industries. This is commonly termed as land use. Agriculture is very important aspect of human's life. We do the cultivation on the soil by tilling the land. So land is the most important factor for cultivation. How many crops we have to put per year will also depend upon the land. If the land is close to the river body, the land which has good supply of water, the land where the underground water resources are very good, the fertility of the soil is very good. So here we can cultivate 3 crops in a year. Basing on the land, we can try to know how the agriculture is there or how can we proceed in agriculture. If the soil is not suitable for agriculture, if it is a dry, barren wasteland, we cannot do cultivation. So this will be determined by the land. Next, the land is used to do forestry also. When we clear the forest, we again try to develop the forest. So we need to plant the plants and grow there. Next, about mining. Mining is done by drilling the land. We drill the land, then we go to the deeper layers and we try to get the extracts outside. Next, we build houses on the land and the roads are laid on the land, setting up of industries also in land. So every activity, whatever the human being does, it is done on the land itself. So land plays a vital role in every individual's life and every country's development. Next, we will discuss about the determinants of land use pattern. The use of land is determined by physical factors such as topography. It means surface shape of the land, soil, climate, minerals, and availability of water. Human factors such as population and technology are also important determinants of land use pattern. Let me conclude today's session. I hope all of you have understood the content clearly. For your reference, I have uploaded the URL. Go through it. Notes are also attached along with this. Take it down. A test question paper is also there. Try it yourself. Thank you.